Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura C6 with us in the shop, and this is a warranty repair we had brought back to us because there was a few things happening with the electronics of the machine. The machine would just randomly power off, and so we went in there, looked around. There's a few wires in there that were just damaged entirely, so we did repair a few of the wires. Also, just making sure all the connections were set and function in the motherboard that's located in the back of the machine. Just making sure all of them were put in place and none of them were loose or anything like that. As of right now, I've been testing this machine for about 3 days and haven't got it to act up since after we did the last of the work we've done to it, which was repairing a few of the wires and also just making sure the motherboard was set. So we have the machine here. We are going to test just a normal espresso because of the cup size, but during all of our testing, I made sure to use the short coffee button just because that's the drink that the person does make on the regular. And so for all the testing we did, it was the short coffee. But we're just going to make espresso for the size of the cup we have. Alrighty, there's your double shot. Now it's going to go out, and then we're just going to turn it off and turn it back on just to show you that everything's working fine. Turn off is going to do rinsing. It's going to pour a few drops of water out of the spouts just to clean out all that coffee. Alrighty. And then last test, just to turn it on. It's gonna go for a rinsing again. We're just making sure that this the machine doesn't randomly turn off at any point, which it was doing when it came back. Alrighty, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.